have to make your coffee in a dirty microwave. Disgusting. Is that an onion? Anyway, hi. Long time no see. I'm trying to get into the habit of reading for pleasure because I know that it's a good way to keep your mind interested in stuff. I don't know, why is it good again? I forgot. It's not important. Anyway, I thought I'd read something kind of lighthearted, something kind of easy to jump into, and so I picked this one. It says 78% done on there, but I finished it. The book is Paper Princess by Erin Watt, by the way. Sorry, I forgot to say that. This book. I love reading, like, the craziest nonsense kind of trash stuff sometimes, and just kind of like, tearing it apart in my mind, or whoever will listen to me. So this is like a thing that I really love to do. And so when I started this book, actually, I got super excited because I was like, oh, trash! Little did I know, I actually kind of have a standard for my trash. And this did not meet my standard at all. So it's about a girl. It's supposed to be kind of Cinderella's story based, I guess, which is why the main girl is named Ella. She's going through high school. She has lost her mother recently. Her mother died. Something. Disease? Cancer? I'm not sure. But her mother left her all alone. She is trying to keep herself afloat by stripping. And so she's just gotten her big break at the real strip club. I don't know what she was doing before that. The kids strip club? I don't know. She's like, so anyway, Ella's stripping. And she is basically whisked away from her night job by this man who claims to be a friend of her father, who she never knew. And her father has passed away. He has come to make her princess, if you will. I don't know. So yeah, he takes her to live with him and his family. He's got 5 sons. They're all they're described in very confusing ways as being very attractive, also indistinguishable from one another, and also sexy and also thug-like. So that's fine. She goes to live with Callum, the guy who was friends with her dad, and his 5 sons. Their mom is also gone now because of pills? I don't know. There's a lot of gray areas in this book where you just don't really know, At first she's like, no, I'm gonna like do my own thing. I'm really hard-headed and strong-willed, and I want to support myself. I don't need you or your charity or your money. Just kidding. I love all of that. And if you're giving it to me, then I'm going to use it, because that's how I'm going to get back at you, by using it. You make me use it, then I'm going to use it. Ha. Great story. Yeah, and then she obsesses about one of the brothers, this guy named Reed, just basically follows him around, picks fights with him to the point that they make out a lot, and you're just like, okay. Oh, and then, spoiler alert, he's hooking up with the ex-girlfriend of the dad. Why? It was both boring and confusing and completely unengaging, but it was written by 2 girls who I'm assuming probably right in the way that me and my best friend in university would write our fan fiction. And I'm like, I mean, I hated it, but if you guys can turn writing fan fiction, if you will, into a job that gets you money, I mean, like, hella support. I mean, get that bag. Get that bag, baby. Yeah.
Dope.
Yeah, but it was awful. Don't read it. Also very random, but I got this box of stuff for a problem with a beauty box that I get. They sent me like some really nice like shampoo, conditioner, this beach blanket they can put out on the beach when you go to the beach, and this cool bag you put your phone in so it doesn't get wet. Yeah, very random, but cool stuff. I've also taken some night bike rides and hung out in the park in Nakano. And I also saw this really awesome magician who put a card in a bottle. Boat Race Tamagama, let's go! No Yakuza. Start!
ビッグレースはした
お
93だよね。93でしょ。俺4だよ。
3にした。4。
俺4。
OK、じゃあ3か4。頑張ろう。100円。100円。マジか。キャプサイズやば。
なんで？
キャプサイズ。Oh my god。やばいよ。So first match Keka results. Ryo picked the driver who flew off of his boat and had to be rescued. And I picked the slowest one. Yes, super skill unlocked. Yeah. やっぱり前ソーセージ大ダメだった。OK。
51が当たったんだよね。
当たった。
100円優しいね。
優しい。
でこれどうすんの？
で、
こっちに入れるか。
そう。
これ？これで3000円が100円が3000円に変わったね。
超いい。
こういうことなんだ。
めっちゃいいな。
じゃあ
Great. Good job.
Thank you.